Hi, I'm Andrew. I used to be an associate at Goodwin Procter, Blake's, and Stikeman Elliott. I help customers turn Harvey into a force multiplier, whether they're doing full document analysis, diligence, or deal benchmarking. If you've ever had to sift through thousands of contracts and put together a diligence chart for your clients, you know how much time it eats up. Harvey helps with the heavy lifting, pulling out the key terms, summarizing all the documents in minutes, so you can flag what matters most to your client. Let's say a company shared 102 commercial agreements with us, and our client wants us to review all of them for key terms as part of a financing. We can use Harvey to build a review table with multiple columns, each targeting a different provision of the agreements to extract or summarize. You might want to know, what are the commercial terms? Is there a termination clause? What are the assignment provisions? Each column can be configured depending on if you want a summary of the provision, a date, a yes/no classification, or a verbatim extraction, where Harvey actually pulls the full clause. Harvey begins extracting the specified information from each contract and fills in the table. You can build columns one by one, or use the column builder to generate multiple at once, even from incomplete or typo-ridden prompts. Clicking into any cell opens Harvey's summary and highlights the exact source language in the contract. Everything is traceable and source linked. You can filter, sort, and export all results in Excel, Word, or CSV, or download the underlying files. Instead of manually reviewing contracts and typing in the details needed one by one, Harvey lets you extract and analyze key data points across your entire agreement set in minutes. It's faster, more accurate, and fully traceable, helping your legal team work smarter at scale. That's Harvey in practice.